Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Alright, today we're driving into downtown Kingston, so we are on Marcus Garvey Drive, which will lead us into the downtown Kingston area. So on the right is the wharf basically, or this section is like Newport West, but the wharf is on the right. On the left you have like bonded warehouses where people store the cars. I would say bonded warehouses, it's like where you store the cars. It's a secure facility, and it has something to do with the duty. Basically, you don't have to pay the duty on the car when the car is over here. So when you actually sell the car now, you pay the duty and take it off from over the lot on the left, basically the bonded place, and move it onto your car lot where you can sell it. Alright, so coming up on the right is where you see the stoplight. That's where you would enter the Newport West area, and that will eventually lead you to the wharf. But the correct name is the Kingston Container Services, something like that. But they just call it the wharf basically, and it's the largest port in Kingston. I'll leave the correct name. If everybody knows the name, you can leave it in the comment section, but it's the Kingston Container something Services. Alright, now on the right is Petrogen, and that is the oil refinery in Jamaica, and it's always in the news. On the left is East Avenue, and that will take you into the Greenwich Town area. On the left now that's the Ministry of Agriculture Export Division. On the left you're going to see a lot of warehouses. On the left we just pass Wallingford, that is a coffee company. So basically, because this road is so close to the wharf, you're going to have a lot of manufacturing companies, a lot of distribution companies, basically a lot of warehouses. On the right you can see the storage tanks for Petrogen, and Petrogen has a very large facility on this road. And to the right, of Petrogen is the ocean, the sea, the Caribbean Sea. So you have piers on that side, or mini ports. On the left is a Garmex free zone, and on the left at the stoplight you turn there, you have what you call industrial estate. Now these people I have no idea why they would choose to cross a 6-lane road. Sometimes you just have to see these things to believe it for yourself. That was so dangerous. Okay, on the left is the JPS Hunts Bay Power Station. 6 lanes of a road that is like a highway, where the cars travel at such high speed, and they choose to cross the road. It's not something I would recommend. It's very dangerous, but you saw it for yourself. Okay, now at this stoplight is Industrial Terrace, and that's where you have the industrial estate complex, where you have a lot of warehouses inside a secure facility. Now straight ahead on the right is a Nutramix plant, and they also have a pier on the right hand side. And the Nutramix facility is actually on both sides of the road. So as you can see, Marcus Garvey Drive was recently renovated. So a very nice road, 6 lanes, has the concrete barricade in the middle, street lights, and has good signage, and the road is painted. So I must say the government did an excellent job in renovating this road, because it's one of the busiest roads in Jamaica. For one, it takes you to the wharf. It also takes you from downtown Kingston to Portmore, and it takes you from downtown Kingston, which is one of the busiest areas in Jamaica, to Mandela Highway, which takes you out of Kingston basically, and you can connect to both of the major highways from Mandela. Now on the right is a bus park, but it's not very popular. It's It's basically very far from the downtown. It's the center downtown, the parade area. It's a downtown municipal transport center. So this bus park never really took off. When you go down to the parade area, you're going to see a lot more traffic, a lot more people. But the bus park is over there and it operates, and certain buses have to terminate there. They can't go into the city. So I guess it does help with the traffic. But when you terminate there, you have to basically get another bus or taxi to go into the town center. Alright, so when we go over this intersection now, we're going on to Harbour Street. If we turn right, we would go on to, I think it's Pecan Street, and then that leads us into, Pecan Street, and then that leads us onto Ocean Boulevard. Now straight ahead on the right, you're going to see some of the tallest buildings in Jamaica. They are actually on Ocean Boulevard, which is basically on the waterfront of the downtown Kingston waterfront. So those buildings would overlook, or Ocean Boulevard is directly overlooks Kingston Harbour. Alright, so we are on Harbour Street. So we're in the downtown Kingston area now. Alright, this intersection now is King Street, and King Street is one of the main streets in downtown Kingston. So Harbour Street runs east-west and King Street runs north-south. Okay, the light is green. I'm not sure what's going on with this truck. I guess he just wasn't paying attention. Right, we're going to pass this truck because I'm not sure what's going on with it. Alright, straight ahead you can see the Air Jamaica building. Although Air Jamaica, it was a national airline of Jamaica, but it no longer flies. This one now, this street is, I think, Church Street. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.